Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. We have got more boxes to do today. They just arrived for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies, so we'll do some unboxing and see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is what Ugly Duckling sent. Oh my gosh, and these boxes are filled with them. These are tips with a promo code, so that way whoever gets this package can order online to get 25% off. uglyducklingnails.com. Check it out. I have the inventory, so I don't know how many was sent, but this is super exciting. I'm not sure if these are swag or door prizes. So yes, I must keep unboxing to find out more. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a big, big door prize. Big old door prize. And promo code for whoever wins this to order more. This is Ugly Duckling Nails. I don't know what it is. Oh, wait a minute, it says rechargeable LED lamp. That's what's in here in this big one. And then possibly, I can't read it. It's like packaged up inside. It's tied up. So this will be a surprise for whoever wins this door prize. Get your tickets before June 30th at nailtechevent.com, and we'll see you at the GATLINBURG, Tennessee Convention Center on July 9th. Peace out, Nail Techs.